I'm a principal of Regina Caeli Playgroup Kindergarten. Regina Caeli Playgroup Kindergarten is a fun place to play and learn. Here, you will be accompanied by lovely and qualified teachers. So, you will be religious, smart, talented, disciplined, and independent children. Come and join us in Regina Caeli Playgroup Kindergarten. Thank you.
Hi! Hello friends! I'm Miss As. I'm teacher of Playgroup Regina Caeli. Let's see my class! Ta-da! Friends, take a look! This is my beautiful class. Friends, let's see! I have so many toys! Friends, do you want to play with me? Yes! Friends, are you happy today? Yes! If you're happy, let's sing together with me. Let's go! If you're happy and tonight, let's sing together. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Friends, I'm very happy. How about you, friends? Are you happy? Let's come and join us.
Hello friends, I'm Miss Ita. I'm the teacher of KGTK. This is our class. Do you want to play and learn with me? Come and join Regina Caeli School. Bye-bye.
I'm Miss Nia, as a teacher of KGTK class, and this is my classroom. Here we go. Welcome to my classroom. So, come and join us in Regina Caeli School. We can fun learning and play together.
Welcome to my class. This is KGB 1. Let's go. Let's come inside. Look, this is the classroom. Oh yeah, before I forget, my name is Miss Ari, and I am the class teacher for KGB 1. Wow, take a look. You can sing the song with me. We will dance and we will learn together with our multimedia. Come. Don't forget, you must see the classroom job in here. Who is the leader? What will you do in the days? And you can put your books here on your own locker. Miss only study? No! I have a lot of toys. Look at here. You can arrange number, friends. Look. From number 21 until 30. Or later on I will change into the letters also. And I have Lego, I have blocks, I have chocolate. Maybe you never play with chocolate, right? I will wait for you in my classroom in Regina Caeli. Hi, I am Miss Justine. I am teacher of KGB 2. Welcome to my classroom. This is our classroom. We are going to learn and play together.
Let's join us at Regina Caeli School.
Hi, I'm Miss Mita. I'm an office administrator of Regina Caeli Playgroup Kindergarten.
Halo, saya Bu Yana. Saya office girl di sekolah Regina Caeli.
Halo, saya Pak Yatmo. Saya UG Regina Caeli.
Hi, I'm Miss Ima. I'm swimming extracurricular teacher. Come join us.
Hello friends, welcome to my English class. I am Miss Ita, and in this class you're gonna have fun activities to learn English with me. Are you ready? Check this out. Okay friends, today we are going to learn about kinds of fruit. Are you ready? Okay. Take a look at these pictures. Friends, what fruit is this? Yeah, watermelon. Everybody say watermelon. Great job. What is the color of the watermelon? Red and creamy. Very good. Do you like watermelon? Alright, you got it friends. Thank you for joining our English class today. Are you happy this class? Okay, so come and join in Regina Caeli School.
Hi, I'm Miss Sifra. I'm teacher of modern dance extracurricular. So let's see.
Banana cha-cha, banana cha-cha, tabachi la 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 cha-cha. Banana cha-cha, banana cha-cha, tabachi la 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 la. 엄마 엄마, 바나나나, 예 진짜 많아. 엄마도 cha-cha, 아빠 아빠, 바나나나, 예 사주세요. 아빠도 cha-cha. 기르면 길이 자라 차차차 헤이 먹으면 힘이 들어 차차차 헤이 할머니도 예 할아버지도 예 모두 모여라.
So come and join us at Regina Caeli Kindergarten. Bye.
Friend, I am Miss Justine, teacher of traditional dance extracurricular. Let's see.
Tambure wes sumile tak ijo royo royo tak senggot teman anya. Jangan jangan pelekno blimbing kuwi lunyu-lunyu pelekno kanggo baso toto tiro kumite gedhe pinggir demono cuma tono kanggo seko mengko sore mumpung padang rembulane mumpung jambak kalamane ya surah
Okay friends, Miss Justine greeting you. Let's join us. Bye bye.
Welcome to my drawing class. Okay, my name is Miss Ari and I am a drawing teacher. When you are in my class, you need to prepare the drawing book or a paper like this, and you need crayon. Okay, so today I will teach you how to draw in a fun way. Okay, kids, do you know about a dinosaur? Who likes dinosaurs? Yes, same like Miss Ari. Miss Ari wants to draw dinosaur. But today I will not make the hard dinosaur. I want to make the fun dinosaur. So come and join me in my drawing class, so you can draw as easy as you learn ABC. Bye! I'm Miss Out. Miss Nita. We are Yanika Extracurricular Teacher. Let's see our performance. Are you ready? Yes! It is very fun, right? Yes! So, let's count